experience.
Colinet is a small fishing and lumbering community, located in the northwest arm of St. Mary's Bay. The Colinet and Rocky rivers come together here to form a lovely harbor, making it a great spot for boating and fishing. The town is near the head of the harbor and offers a fair anchorage. The name Colinet has an interesting history, first given to Great Colinet Island and recorded in various forms since the 1600s. It's believed to be named after a French family. Today, Colinet is a peaceful place where you can enjoy the natural beauty of Newfoundland. The surrounding hills and rivers make it perfect for outdoor activities like hiking and fishing. The Rocky River starts from several ponds, including Mackinson's Gully, Grand Pond, Hodgewater Pond, and Ocean Pond. These waters join many others and flow down to Colinet Harbor, covering a distance of about 45.2 kilometers. The river runs parallel to Route 81, making it easy to follow its path. Along the way, many streams join in, adding to its flow. The basin of Rocky River is made up of ancient Appalachian rocks, mostly sedimentary with some limestone. Rocky River isn't used for hydroelectric power, but it is a Class 4 salmon sport fishery. If you love fishing, this is a great spot to try your luck. Historically, salmon couldn't get past the 8-meter waterfalls at the river's mouth. In the early 1900s and 1940s, attempts to help the salmon were unsuccessful. However, in the 1970s, efforts by the Salmon Association of Eastern Newfoundland led to the introduction of salmon fry, and now the river has a thriving salmon population. The Rocky River area is perfect for outdoor activities. There are canoe routes, hiking trails, ATV paths, and spots for fishing, swimming, boating, and camping. In winter, it's great for cross-country skiing and snowmobiling.